Hey Highlanders, did you know UCR offers some awesome transportation benefits that make getting around easier and cheaper? Let's take a look. First up, free bus rides. That's right, all you need is your R card to hop on Riverside Transit Agency buses for free. All you have to do is sign up with the RTA's Go Mobile app, and then you have unlimited rides. No need to worry about gas or parking. Just tap your R card, find a seat, and enjoy the ride. Next up is the Student Adventure Pass. With this, UCR students can ride the Metrolink for free. The Metrolink is perfect for exploring SoCal or commuting from nearby cities. It's easy and free as long as you sign up on the Metrolink app with your UCR Net ID. And if you want to travel farther, UCR has you covered with Amtrak's discounts. As a student, you get 15% off your ticket. And if you apply to become an Amtrak San Joaquin College Student Ambassador, if accepted, you can earn free rides. Amtrak is a great option for weekend getaways, heading home for the holidays, or just exploring California. So there you have it, Islanders. Free bus rides, free Metrolink access, and Amtrak discounts. UCR's transportation benefits are here to save you money and simplify your commute. Start using these benefits today and make the most of your time here at UCR. To learn more, head over to transportation.ucr.edu.